journey continues. When you see the full gravity of this project, this is a beast.
This is a true pocket explorer.
Welcome to Project Chara.
Welcome to Project Adamas.
we're gonna take you along for this entire journey. Let's freaking go!